Ito ang una naming caravan trip. Pero bawat biyahe may bagong kwento. At ngayon, oras na para umuwi. Welcome back to Ben Fam, kung saan bawat biyahe, pamilya ang bida.
Family you can feel. Come along with us wherever we may be. At Ben Fam, you're part of our family.
Sa mga huling araw, mas naramdaman namin ang simpleng saya. Walang rush, walang pressure, pamilya lang. Good morning, guys! It's our 7 days today. Day 7. Day 7, yeah? So we have 5 days, I think. So this is our view. Very hot. So I'm making pancake. Making pancake, guys. Make tayo ng pancake. Caravan here. This is our view again. Guys, napakainit, guys. Oh. Napaka-useful yung ganitong ano. Tawag dito yung ganito. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga gamit. Napakainit. To close the pancake. So yan, today is our day 7 here. So we stay for 12 days. So mamaya alam ka Ben Fam, ha? Kaya napakainit. Ito na yung atutan, guys, pancake, guys.
Don't do that.
Oy, hot.
You need to hold your head, Lucky.
Hold some.
Stop crying.
Day 6 natin dito, guys. Ay, day 7. Day 7 to din, no? 7 days na namin dito, guys. Sa Queensland. So, ayan. Costco yung ano natin today. Vlog for today is Costco. Very hot. Australia, very hot, guys. If Philippines hot, oh, Australia very hot also. I don't know, I bring you wallet. Yeah. So first time natin dito kasi yun nga, turista tayo dito sa Queensland, guys. So we will see kung ano yung ano Costco inside. QTV, get one. You want? That's yours. You want that small man? I want big. That one? I want bigger pa that one.
I want that one.
Ang laki ng TV ng Costco, guys. 1,149 pesos. Not pesos, guys, in dollar. Yan, 2,299. So 2,300. Costco in Australia. 90 days change of mind. Return policy. How many?
It is
How many you want?
100. I want 100.
Drone, oh, drone. Guitar ni Adam. No, son. Put it back, son. Son, no, son. Ito nice, guys. So, action cam. Action cam. Maganda naman yung camera na yun guys. Action cam.
Roblox.
Lucky, come here.
Alright. That's alright. It's a shame the inside would be good.
Simula ng araw, may kwento na agad. Kasama si Telfang, lahat mas masarap.
Ta. Dala na namin si Rusty guys. Rusty, come on. Rusty. Hi, sus. Rusty. Yeah.
See? Go hand.
Ay, Jesus guys. Yes, ah. So yan, sorry muna tayo dito guys. Daming dog.
You know how to walk in?
Not si Lucas.
Right hand.
Guys, no parking.
Yeah, like that. Hold it like that. Keep it to that side. Keep
Wish.
You can't let them go to dogs.
Maganda dito guys kasi allowed yung dog. Merong beach
No, I need to.
park na ayaw ng dog. But mostly Australia have a dog.
Here at Beam Family you can feel. Come along with us wherever we may be. At Beam you're part of our family. Dito sa Beam Queen.
See, meron din mga boat, mga yati. Ayan. So dito yung mga dog, mga walking area, exercise. May mga playground, libre yung mga playground. Dami lang trees. Ang ganda. Yeah, I'm scared for what?
Wait.
Are you heavy? Not.
It's making sound.
And let go slowly. The muscles are weak. Up. Do the muscles hold? Do your muscles work?
Guys, na nag-away guys. That's the one I want. Fighting guys.
Yeah, I want to fight.
Stop.
Want to hear it?
I want to hear it. Quiet.
What is it?
You need to be quiet so you can hear it.
We sit down first.
Dad, which one?
Wait. Oh my god. I like it.
What happened?
There's a fighting guys in that building. Marites! Andito na ang Benfam Marites. See you later ka dyan. Ang ganda guys, so I like this. Ang ganda talaga, as in. Wala ka.
Left side, eh? Left side.
Left side guys, left side. Yan, then hindi nag-aaway
Right
guys.
side, yeah.
Yan yung nag-aaway guys.
You have one side and the other.
Oh,
Left.
a lot of boat. Oh. Where's our boat there? We need to get our boat, guys. There.
Yeah, you gotta learn. You gotta keep it tighter down, lower. There. Grab it there. That's it.
Now that makes it even difficult.
Sobrang ganda talaga dito guys sa Australia kasi meron silang mga free mga ganito. 'Di ba? Saya. Tapos ang linis. Tapos napaka dog friendly nila, animals friendly. Tapos ganito, makikita mo talaga yung ganitong Australia guys. Sana no, ganito din yung Pilipinas. Yun oh. Napakaganda, sobra. Yan.
Yeah, that's meant to be.
Australia. I love Australia. Thank you, Australia. So yan yung mga nila holidays. apartment. Ayan, oh, yung mga lalaking buildings. Ayan. Pero napakamahal dito yung ano guys, yung mga apartment, lalo na pag holiday apartment, oh, mahal yan. Hindi man ito ang unang karaban namin, bawat paalam sa lugar ay may konting lungkot. Dito nabubuo ang mga alaala. Hello Kabem Fam! Good afternoon! So ngayon lang tayo nakapag-update. So today is our last day here in NRMA Treasure Island in Queensland. So ngayon, nag-ano na tayo Kabem Fam, nag-packing na kasi tomorrow we're going back home. So tapos na yung ating 12 days vacation. Ayan, si Mr. nag-ano na siya guys.
What do you want?
No, I'm busy. Yung iba, naglagay sila ng ladder. Pag maliit ka, kailangan ng ladder guys. O chairs. So, ito yung ano namin guys, despedida. Kasi kami uuwi na bukas. So, my husband bought pizza and fish and chips. So, tingnan mo na ano namin.
That's mommy's. Sorry, hide that one. Get down.
Wala na kaming lamisa kasi yun nga bukas alis na tayo.
Pizza.
Yeah, it's okay.
Leave it there, Mickey. Get another one.
I don't know. Wala na kaming lamisa guys. Share lang.
My starter
Minos,
sauce, if you like it.
fish and chips.
You want fish and chips?
Yeah.
Here, Mickey.
Before tayo alis,
That one, Dad.
i-reheat
You can
natin sa
try it. Sit
microwave.
down.
Can I
Alright.
try
Share
that?
this two amongst you all.
Can I try this one? Can I try the cream?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah.
Thank you. Fish and chips. Masarap yung fish and chips daw nila yan. Hindi tulad sa Melbourne guys. May lami. Dito masarap daw. Wala tayong lamisa.
Let's fish and chips first.
So this is the life of caravan guys before tayo alis. So,
Not enough.
so dito kami kakakain.
I'll do it right. Is there a drink somewhere? Maybe a coke.
These guys are the kids.
That's it.
Wala na kaming lamisa.
Ah, that's it.
Give me small or big same lang.
Oh.
Okay, put this ano din. May give me no. Budget.
What budget?
Budget guys, kino mo.
Brand new start. Simple.
Cheers.
Buddy.
Cheers.
Welcome.
Sama. Sama kayo.
Very
Sarap
good.
daw yung ano guys, prawns. Fish and chips sila. Lentil fries.
In every season, love's always there. Different places, but one story flows. Wherever we wander, our family grows. Here at Ben Fam, our journey is true.
Mom, Dad, he's gonna give a tablet.
Adam, stop! So ayan ka. Ayan. Ganyan talaga si Adam guys. Out the Mickey, stop that! Tingnan. Ganyan talaga si Adam guys. Ano siya? Scary. Scared. Scared si Adam. That's Adam. Scared. Pero yun guys, alis na tayo. Yan, naka-ready na yung caravan. Check muna natin. Ayan. So ayan, 12 days din tayo dito. Check natin, everything's good. Yeah. So thank you NRMA Treasure Island here in Queensland. Ate Jack, thank you. May nakita tayong kababayan na nag-work dito guys.
Pa-vlog pa siya. No?
Dito si Ate Jack guys, so kababayan natin. Ate Jack!
Hello! Kamusta po?
Ang saya talaga ng feeling pag meron tayong kababayan guys. Andito si Ate Jack guys. May kakilala na ako dito sa Australia.
Oh, dito, punta tayo dito sa
Sige ate,
Treasure
shout out.
Shout out.
Treasure Island.
Saan ba yan? Ano bang vloggers ka? Ano
Vloggers ako ate.
Oh.
Ben Fam. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ben Fam with Ate Jack. Dito na kayo guys, mga kababayan ko dyan dito sa Australia. If you want to see Ate Jack, just come here in Treasure Island, here in Queensland. Jack is the owner of this day.
Oh, Diyos.
So, ang ganda na naman ng weather kasi recently 2 days. Ayan, okay na yata siya guys. The bike, okay na pan?
Yeah.
This one, oh. Naku ni si Adam guys. Napaka si Adam.
My yard's there is to help. He's chasing the bird.
Scared. So yun guys, uwi na tayo. So consider mo na si Mr. guys.
Hey, Jacek, check I don't hit the tree on this side when I turn.
Pa natin yan.
You know what I mean? No?
Back na tayo ng home, back to home. Si Rusty. The Ben Farm will sign out. We're going back home. Ate Jack! Hi!
Say hello,
Sa bawat kilometro pa uwi, dala namin ang tawanan, pagod at kwento na hindi mabibili. Ito yung kagandahan dito guys sa Australia kasi meron silang free public toilet tapos may libre pang tissue. Tapos pwede ka dito magpahinga, yan yung mga toilet nila dito. Tapos may libreng tissue. Ayan.
Use those ones or not? I use that one to show you that. Called the vet. I reached and I moved and then all the vet.
I love the breeze.
Nice no, Breeze? So nice.
31 though.
Ah?
31.
31.
Hey, where's Anna?
That's all my cars.
Adam, come here, Adam. Are you okay? It's too hot, son. So, ayan ka, Ben Farm. Pahinga muna ka. Ay, pahinga. Kakapahinga pa lang namin dito. Yung kagandahan nga dito sa Australia kasi meron silang free toilet, free tissue. Tapos, pwede ka tawag na ito, kain, bring your food. Tapos, doon nga sa sa may guys, sa butuan, subscribe. Okay lang na, bring your own tissue. Basta, malinis lang yung toilet. Ay, let's go.
A new start, simple moments straight from the heart. Parenting laughter, lessons we share. In every season, love's always there.
Different places, but one story flows wherever we wander. Our family.
Update guys, ayan, we're home. So finally we're home. It's already, we arrived here around 10 o'clock in the evening. So thank God we arrived safe, and thank to my husband we arrived safe. So yung caravan na andun na. So bukas ipapark ni Mr. ng maayos kasi ngayon sobrang late na talaga. So yan, bukas na naman. At kahit masarap ang gumala, iba pa rin ang pakiramdam ng makauwi home kung saan nagsisimula ulit ang susunod na adventure. Kung gusto nyo ng tunay na caravan life at family stories, subscribe na sa Ben Fam. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa biyahe na ito. Hindi pa ito ang huli, marami pang kwento sa daan. Na-miss natin yung bahay. So ayan, abangan nyo yung mga natin, mga adventure. Yung mga uploading natin ng mga video coming. Okay? Good night. Good night. Good night.
Here at Big Fam, our stories are